everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey, you guess what's up? So in today's video, y'all, as you can tell from the title and thumbnail, I'm doing my monthly update of how much money I've made on YouTube for the month of December. This is technically going up in January, but you guys know the spiel of this all, that it comes a month later, how much you get paid, or your paycheck comes a month later after you've been paid from YouTube. The reason I do these videos is to help people, or to put myself as a reference for what a smaller YouTuber might make after being monetized on YouTube. So yeah, with all those technicalities out there, I guess we can get right into the video. So December was my most successful month on YouTube. I'm doing this, you guys, because I only have 2.5 months to compare it to. I have October, November, and December, so I can't really say that I've made so much money or this is my best month ever, because I've only technically had 2.5 months of monetization on YouTube, but December was technically my best month. There are a few factors that go into it. The first thing is that my channel is slow and steadily increasing or getting better or growing. More people and more traffic are being directed towards my channel, or are stopping by my channel, checking out the videos, and that equates to more money for me if my CPM is decent. Because a lot of people assume that if you have a lot of views, you will make a lot of money, and even if you gain more views, you will make more money. But that's not always the case, because at the end of the day, your CPM has to either be stagnant or plateau, or improving. But if your CPM or RPM dips a little, then you could technically not make more money even though you're gaining more views, or you could also, worst case scenario, make less money even though you're gaining more views, if that makes sense for people out there. Hopefully it does. If I explained it properly. Another factor is also that my CPM and RPM are relatively high, and usually from the months of, I would say, November to January-ish is one of the most lucrative or fluid times on YouTube for content creators, because that's when a lot of ads or a lot of companies are pushing their ads, paying for ads to be shown on people's videos because they want to get their products sold for the holiday season. That's why you see a lot of people doing Vlogmas or everyday uploads during December or even the end of November, because there's a lot more money to be made, usually, not always, during those months. So my CPM and RPM were a little high for my channel for the month of December, and also it's 31 days. Any month that has 31 days adds a little bit of money onto your end amount, because when you're looking on YouTube at your analytics/revenue page, you're seeing a 28-day period, but when you have a month that has 2 to 3 extra days, which most months do, you are looking at a little bit more money. So yeah, with all that being said, I can get into the overview of my channel analytics. I feel like I went through everything, and let's get right into it. In December, I had 14,600, views. I don't remember what November was. I will maybe put a screenshot up so you guys can compare December to November to see if there was a big difference in price. I had 1,000 watch time hours, and I had 110 new subscribers. So hello everyone. For my revenue, I had a playback CPM of $16.41, and I had an RPM of $9.77, which were relatively high for me. And so the end amount of how much money I made for the month of December was $142.29. And I was not expecting that. I was expecting to hit 100. I assumed I was hitting 100 and maybe max 120 to 130. I was not expecting to hit $142. It said that was a 61% increase from the last 28 days, or the last month, if I'm not mistaken, which is a lot. I haven't uploaded a video in a while, so my revenue has gone down for the month of January, and it's just because I've been taking it easy, and I just don't want to upload that much. But in December, I did upload a lot of videos. I think the most videos I've uploaded in a month, which isn't necessarily that much, because I think I have max 50 or 40 videos on my channel, but I think I maybe uploaded 10-ish plus videos during December, which is, like I said, very high for me. So I do think that that had a direct direct impact on my channel as well. I also had some very good performing videos in the month of December, so that helped me. Even if I would have uploaded a fraction of the videos that I uploaded in December and they all did well, let's say, I feel like it would be the same amount. But because I had videos that performed really well and videos that performed, I would say, decent to below decent, it was I guess a mixture of everything, and that's why my estimated revenue was so high for December. Now, regarding my top earning videos, or my top earning video, I thought this was very interesting that the #1 video that earned me the most money in December is a video that I did not expect to earn the most money. It was not the most successful video during the month of December, meaning views, likes, watch time, watch hour, all that good stuff. And it also was not a video, like I said, that I expected to be successful. But it's interesting to see that that video got the most views, or not the most views, it got the most money, or it's earning me the most money for the month of December. And that's just also to point out that, like I said, it doesn't necessarily matter all about views. It matters about RPM and CPM on that particular video. The RPM and CPM for this video was relatively high comparing it to my other videos, and that's why I made more money for it compared to other videos I uploaded during the month of December. January is ongoing right now, but I think I'm also going to hit the $100 mark, and we shall see. Maybe I'll hit more than 100, and if so, I'll be happy. Nonetheless, I'm happy with whatever amount I make, because money is money, and it's nice to get paid doing something that you like doing. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I don't know what else to say. Thank you for watching. If you are a smaller channel and you feel comfortable sharing your amount, you're more than welcome to in the comment section. If not, totally fine. Not everyone's comfortable sharing money amounts. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Until next month with another one of these videos, and bye.